At DSI, we've got equipment, we're stocked to the roof pretty much all year round to make sure that we have equipment when it's needed by customers. We have parts inventories in each location to, so that when a customer goes down and their heating system fails, they're not waiting for months to get a part. We've got it in stock. Our goal as a company is to be responsive to the end user, to the person that buys our equipment. We're big enough that we have the resources to handle that, yet we want each individual salesman, each individual serviceman in every territory to treat it like it's their own business. The customer is their customer. It's a DSI customer, but he's also each individual salesman's, it's their customer.
We've been dealing with DSI now for over 6 years, and our primary contact's been Ron Legowski. We've had excellent service from him. Anytime we've needed something, he's stepped up and got it for us if we needed it. I would highly recommend DSI Klingberg. We've used them for many years, and everything they've said, they've done. My problem has been their problem, and it's never been a problem.
Last winter, we had a call from a customer north of the Arctic Circle whose furnace had broken down because one of the parts had failed. And it was just good being able to have that opportunity to talk with them on the phone and to get a part out to them that very afternoon. They called us back a week later, all very thankful about the fact that this part had come in such short order to them that far away from our main office here, and it was able to save them hundreds and hundreds of dollars in extra heating costs for using propane.
With DSI, Dion Supply, what is probably the most unique thing that I have seen is the commitment right from the top down, from both Ron and Dean to the customers that they have right now. There's a level of commitment that they have to them first and foremost before any new customers are ever brought on. And that means that when people have a problem, they can phone. Ron can troubleshoot over the phone. He can send the part right away if he needs to. So they're more interested in making sure that the existing clientele they have right now is going to be satisfied with their furnaces.
One thing that, and it's part of the job that I really enjoy, is having the backup support of DSI. They are available on a moment's notice especially for me as a technician, if I have a technical problem. And just as an example, we did have a problem here at the Kelowna Mazda dealership with an electrical component on the furnace. When we narrowed it down to that, we weren't too sure just how to handle that as a problem. So we, from the dealership here, phoned, and we were able to get technical support and have the problem corrected within a very, very short time. And it's just something that most companies nowadays don't do. And it's something that helps our customers become more comfortable with our service and builds up a better relationship for us.
DSI offers the entire program or process. They'll sell you the product, they'll train you on serviceability, they will service it, they'll offer you a service plan. Excellent 24-hour, 24/7 if need be.
The two guys that own DSI were actually at one point installing these things. They know how to do it, they know how they work. If you talk to them, they know everything about the furnace and how it works. So you're not getting into a company that has just purchased some furnaces and are throwing them in. These guys know their product inside and out.
It is satisfying on my part to sell a furnace, install it, service it, and then when you talk to the customer, 2 years down the road, I meet them at the hockey rink, and I've had this happen more than once, where they say, that furnace was the best purchase I've ever made.
We're involved every day, my partner and I. We're still involved servicing furnaces once in a while and involved in installation so that we can stay fresh with all the new things that are coming up. And I still periodically get customers calling me directly. I can't seem to pawn them off on our service guys. They want to talk to me because we built trust with them, and they understand that even though we may not be out there every day, we still understand the equipment and can solve their problems.